My name is Sofia Rosales from Grade 11 Adventuring, and today's video, we're going to be talking about the PFA, also known as the Psychological First Aid Empathetic Listening. So, empathetic listening in psychological first aid is a technique to help people in distress to make them feel understood and supported even if they experience something traumatic and uneventful. So, let's take a look at this video clip from the movie Wonder that shows a prior example about empathetic listening.
Come on, get ready. It's almost time for the Halloween parade.
You're supposed to knock. Go away!
Mom says you won't say what happened. Did someone say something?
Someone always says something!
Well, tell me what happened.
It's none of your business!
You took my day with Mom, so it is my business.
I heard Jack Will talking about me behind my back. He said he'd kill himself if he looked like me.
Jack Will? Isn't he the nice one?
There are no nice ones! I wish I'd never gone to school in the first place.
But you were liking school. I know you were.
I hate it, okay? I hate it!
Augie, I'm sorry, but you're not the only one who has bad days.
Bad days? Do people avoid touching you? When a person accidentally touches you, do they call it the plague?
No.
Jack Will is all I had. Just don't compare your bad days at school to mine, okay?
Okay. Hey, did you notice that Miranda doesn't come around anymore?
What?
You didn't. Shocker. Yeah, she went away to camp this summer and now she doesn't like me anymore.
Why?
Because school sucks and people change. So if you want to be a normal kid, Augie, then those are the rules. So let's go trick-or-treating. Okay? Because right now, we're each other's best friends.
Really?
Yes. So, come on. I'll let you have all my Halloween candy.
So this movie scene shows that empathetic listening helps Augie accept the fact that not all people are nice. Some people can be bad and they tend to judge people from their looks. But with the help of his sister Via, he decided and finally embraced to accept himself for he truly is. And by that, we also made our very own film about empathetic listening. So, sit down, relax, and enjoy the show.
Ibigay mo na sa ng pera at cellphone mo.
Ha? Bakit?
Ayaw mo?
Akin yan!
Tulong! Tulong! Tulong po!
Ano nangyari sa'yo, Iha? Sige, tutulungan ka namin. Basta nandito ka muna, ah. Sure ka? Okay ka lang?
Okay lang ako.
Oh, kamusta ka na?
Oh, thank you po. Napakatanga ko talaga. Tama si mama. Hindi pa ako ready maging independent.
Feeling mo na kaya mo mag-isa?
Opo. Kami lang kasi ni mama yung magkasama. Gusto ko siyang tulungan.
Kaya ginagawa mo ang lahat-lahat para sa ikabubuti ng buhay ninyo.
Opo. Medyo mahirap din po kasi yung buhay namin. Sinubukan ko po maghanap ng trabaho pero wala po akong nahanap kasi nga po minor pa ako.
Natatry po kayo. Pero paano po kayo nabubuhay sa ngayon?
Sa ngayon po, nagtatanggap po ng labada yung mama ko para po may pang-araw-araw kami.
Sa tingin mo ba, nakagawa ka ng paraan para mabuhay kayong dalawa?
Opo, pero mahirap po kasi pinagsasabay ko po yung pag-aaral ko. Saka tumutulong din ako kay mama sa paglalabada niya.
Sa tingin mo ba, kakayanin mo mapatapos ang pag-aaral mo at magbigay ka ng magandang buhay para sa iyong mama?
Opo, sisikapin ko po kahit mahirap. Kasi kami na lang dalawa ng mama ko eh.
Oo, kayang-kaya mo yan. Huwag kang susuko, ah. If you want to be listened to, you should put in time listening. I hope this video gives you a very important lesson in life. And before we end this video, here are some video interviews about people in their own perspective about empathetic listening.
Empathizing doesn't always have to be you saying something. The mere presence of a person na alam mong nandyan kapag kakailangan mo siya, lalo na sa mababang yugto ng buhay mo, is really rewarding kasi nakakapaglabas ka lang ng sama ng loob mo, yung mga hinanakit mo sa buhay, tapos alam mo na merong taong nakikinig sa'yo. Malaking bagay na yun, hindi kailangan magsalita, no? Yung mere presence ng tao na yun na alam mo nakikinig sa'yo is more than enough para dun sa taong nagsha-share, gumaan yung pakiramdam niya. And mahirap gawin yun, mahirap sa dami ng nating ginagawa sa buhay natin, ano? It's actually a challenge to give our time to a person. Kaya pag may nagbibigay sa atin ng ganun, we appreciate the value because alam natin na mahalaga rin tayo sa tao na yun. Empathizing is the best way of showing our love to a person.
Gaano kahalaga ang empathy sa isang tao? So, para sa akin, importante ito. So, empathy kasi is putting yourselves to the feet of the other. So, parang dinadamayan mo yung tao kung ano man yung nangyayari sa kanya. For example, meron siyang pamilya na nawala sa kanya at dinadamayan mo siya at kailangan niya yung damay mo at naramdaman niya yung pagdamay mo. So, mahalaga yun para sa isang, for example, sa magkaibigan. Kasi nandun ka para damayan mo yung kaibigan mo na nasaktan at nawala ng mahal sa buhay. So, for me, empathy kung meron kang kaibigan na ganun is napaka-importante. At kasi meron kang karamay sa lahat ng oras, sa lahat ng magkakaroon ka ng problema. At meron kang masasabihan na tao na mapagkakatiwalaan mo na magiging okay yung pakiramdam mo sa kanya. So, ayun lang. Thank you.
Empathy. Isang big word kung tutuusin. Madaling sabihin, kahulugan, in putting ourselves on the person's shoes on a given situation. Pero napakahirap gawin. Bakit? Kasi you have to learn how to go beyond yourself. To know a person, to care for a person, to love the person, to show empathy. We, even sa family, sa friends, ang hirap nun, lalo na sa panahon ngayon. Minsan makikita natin yung mga kaibigan natin, family members natin, magpo-post sa social media not necessarily a rant, but you know something is wrong. Knowing that something is wrong and having the courage to ask. I'll get out of my way to ask, what's wrong? What's happening? What can I do? I'll be there for you whatever it may be. So, sa akin, ng empathy, it all comes down to love, to care, and doing the right thing, and going beyond yourself to show that you care, to show that you love, and to show that you understand. It's hard to show empathy if you don't love a person, and that's what is hard, and that is what makes it also beautiful. Empathy is such a beautiful word. It all boils down to love and understanding. Thank you.
Gaano kahalaga ang empathy? Para sa akin, mahalagang bagay ang magkaroon ka ng empathy at meron din taong makikiramay or makakasama mo in times of your problem, in times of your happiness. So, importante talaga siya kasi hindi lahat ng tao kayang ibigay sa'yo yung oras na yon. Yung time na para sa ibibigay nila sa mga mahal nila sa buhay, sa trabaho nila, sa ibang ginagawa nila. Pero kapag kailangan mo sila at pinuntahan ka nila, ibig sabihin nun ay mahalaga ka sa kanila. Kaya napakahalaga na meron kang empathy. At the same time, kung ikaw ay meron kang mga kaibigan na may pinagdadaanan, dapat same din na nandoon ka sa mga oras na kailangan kanila. Kaya ganon kahalaga ang empathy. Yan ay isang mahalagang bagay na meron dapat ang isang tao kasi diyan mo makikita ang tunay na kaibigan mo dahil karamay mo siya sa lahat ng iyong mga pinagdadaanan, masaya man o malungkot. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you so very much for watching this video, and I'll see you at the next one.